Hi, I'm Marshall Quinney and I work for LED Lighting Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a driver on an HBC High Bay unit. So first we're going to take off the 4 screws that are on the driver. Alright, and after you remove the screws, you will want to cut this wire right here. Like that. After doing that, you will want to get these wires exposed. There we go. Once you have those exposed, you will want to snip off a little piece. A little bit more than that. There we go. Alright. Then you will want to add 2 WAGO connectors. Make sure they are tight. Just like that. Oh, I gotta go grab the other driver. Alright, then the last part, you would take your black and your red and connect them to the other black and red. Like so. Then you will want to hide these wires back down and re-secure your 4 screws. And just like that, you have a working fixture again.